I thought our kids played hard. I thought we were able to work some rust off. We may have had some from the break. I didn't like our pace. I didn't think we played with a great pace today. Maybe because there were so many breaks or stops, but the action. But I do feel like we really shared the ball offensively. Thought for the most part offensively we played pretty well.
Well, this game is really important due to the fact that we're downhill from now. You know, we're getting into the thick part of the conference with a lot of very talented teams that can meet us halfway. It was really good to kind of get the rust out today.
Obviously, great lift off the bench. Came in, made some shots. I really thought his shot selection was really good. You know, I thought he was open and knocked him down. I thought our guys did a good job of recognizing that he kind of got on a little bit of a heater and found them in open areas, and then he just made shots. He did a really good job. He's been a great teammate, and he's really done a good job of being a leader for our team. So really like the way he's playing right now.
Extra shots. Teammates knew I was hot, and I think they did a very good job, you know, finding me and getting me open.
Hopefully, you know, just able to get out there and play against somebody else. Didn't want to go 8-9 days and 10, 11, 12 practices with playing against just ourselves and playing against somebody else and getting to see a different body. So it's good to head into the conference schedule, but man, the schedule coming up is going to be tough, and we'll tackle it one game at a time and go from here.
We started preparing for that this week where we had a lot of two-a-days. I feel like each day we approached it with the same mentality, and I feel like those two-a-days into winning this game, I think we're on a nice little wave right now. I think we're just going to ride that on through.